Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to make a program. In this program we will count the number of sublists exist in a list. So first I am going to create a list which contains 3 sublists. So 2, 4, then we have 10. So as you can see here, list 1 contain 3 sublists. So we will count the sublist exist in list 1. So I am going to use the function here. So the name of the function is sublist and it takes list as an argument. So L is the argumented variable. So to count the sublist in list 1, first we need to declare a variable. So I am using a is the variable and assign 0 value to a. And then I am using for loop L. So under the for loop, I am using if condition, that if type of I is list. Sorry. So we can increment a. So what we are doing in this section, first we declare a variable a and assign 0 value to it, and then we are running for loop, and the for loop we are using if condition. Under the for loop, the if condition check each element of the list, our list 1. So if any of the element is list, so it increments the value of a. So when all the elements are completed, the loop will break and the if condition will false. So then we can return our value, return a, and then we can print our function. I am using string formatting to print our list 1. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here the number of sublists are 3. So you can see the 3 sublists occur in list 1. So 3 is appearing at the output. So what if I increment another sublist? So as you can see, as I again run this program, you can see here, as I increment one sublist in list 1, the output is also incremented. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.